Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using FlightHub. In this FlightHub booking platform review, I'll be sharing my experience using their service to find and book travel. FlightHub is a travel booking platform dedicated to helping travelers find affordable flights and other travel options. Be sure to check the description for links to FlightHub after you finish watching. The platform caters to travelers seeking budget-friendly deals without the often tedious task of comparing prices across multiple websites. FlightHub provides a user-friendly interface that allows for quick and easy searches for flights, hotels, and rental cars, all in one convenient location. A key feature of FlightHub is its powerful price comparison tool. This tool aggregates fares from hundreds of airlines, encompassing both major carriers and budget-friendly options, ensuring you find the best possible deal. Furthermore, the flexible date search functionality allows you to explore cheaper fares by simply adjusting your travel dates. Refining your search is simple with FlightHub's filtering options. You can filter by the number of stops, departure and arrival times, specific airlines, and even price range, enabling you to tailor your travel plans precisely to your needs. Another valuable feature is FlightHub's fare alerts. These alerts notify you of any price drops on your chosen routes, a particularly helpful tool for travelers planning in advance who are looking to secure the absolute lowest fares. Transparency is also a priority for FlightHub. They display the full price of tickets upfront, inclusive of all taxes and fees, so you know exactly what you're paying. While FlightHub's primary focus is on flights, they also offer competitive rates for hotel bookings and car rentals, providing a comprehensive, all-in-one travel planning solution. Booking through FlightHub is a straightforward process. You'll receive your e-ticket directly via email, simplifying your travel preparations. It's important to mention, however, that customer feedback regarding FlightHub's customer service has been mixed. Changes, cancellations, or refunds can sometimes incur additional fees or delays, so it's crucial to carefully review the terms and conditions before confirming your booking. To summarize, FlightHub is an excellent choice for budget-minded travelers who appreciate a simple booking process and competitive pricing. It's especially well-suited for those prioritizing affordability and flexibility in their travel arrangements. If you have any experience with FlightHub or have questions about the platform, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information. Thanks for watching.